Welcome to my channel. How to set up Orbi RBR50 router via Orbilogin.com. Start by unboxing your Orbi RBR50 router along with the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Place it near your modem for easy connection. Take the Ethernet cable and connect one end to your modem, then plug the other end into the yellow Internet port on your Orbi router. Power on your modem first and allow it a couple of minutes to fully boot up, then plug in your Orbi router to an electrical outlet and switch it on. Watch the LED light on the Orbi router. It will first turn solid white, then pulse white, and after a few moments, it should turn solid blue or amber. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default Orbi Wi-Fi network name, SSID, printed on the back of your router. Open a web browser and type orbilogin.com or 192.168.1.1 into the address bar to access the Orbi login page. Enter the default username admin and password. The setup page will then ask you to create a new secure password for your Orbi router. Follow the on-screen instructions in the setup wizard to configure your internet connection and update the admin login details. Create your own Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and choose a strong password so all your devices can connect securely to your new Orbi network. Once the setup process finishes, the Orbi router will automatically reboot, and you can now connect your phones, laptops, and smart devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Thanks for watching.